you how to find deleted friends on Snapchat. Whether you accidentally deleted someone or just want to reconnect, we've got you covered. So let's dive right in. The first thing you should do is check your friends list. Sometimes you might think you've deleted someone when you actually haven't. Open the Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, tap on My Friends. Now try searching them by their username on the search bar. Type in the username of the friend you deleted. If you find the profile, you can add them back by tapping Add Friend. Now, if you have previously shared snap codes, you might find your deleted friends there. Tap on your profile icon, then on your snap code at the top of the screen. Check your snap code history for any shared snap code. You can also use the quick add feature to find mutual friends. Go to the search bar and scroll through the quick add section to see if your deleted friend appears there. Quick add suggests friends based on your mutual contacts. Another way to find deleted friends is by checking your chat history. Even if you've deleted someone, the chat history might still be there. Swipe right to open chats and scroll through your chat history. If you see a chat with the person you deleted, tap on it. You should see an option to add them back. And that's it. Hopefully one of these methods helped you find your deleted friends on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone else who might find it useful.